there, friends. I'm Mal.
And it's me, Evie.
And we're visiting our old stomping ground, the Isle of the Lost.
Yes, we're not only hanging out, well, trying to avoid Uma, really, but we're gonna play a really fun game called the Watermelon Smash!
I'm so excited. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go with the category, like colors, for example, and go back and forth and say each one in rhythm, and whoever gets out of rhythm or repeats,
or you can't come up with an answer, well, you have to maybe hit one click on the watermelon, and it might just explode on you with water everywhere. It's gonna be crazy.
we're gonna get soaked.
The first person to 3 watermelon smashes is the grand loser.
And the grand loser has to spend the night at the Isle of the Lost.
What? Really? I thought we got out of here for a reason. That's
I
gonna be terrible.
We'll make it.
Okay, and our first category is Pixar movies.
Oh, fun! I think I know a lot of Pixar movies.
Are you sure about that?
I don't know.
Okay, here we go. On your mark, get set, go. Incredibles.
Finding Nemo.
Incredibles 2.
Incredibles 3.
Toy Story. Oh, wait. Sorry.
I'm sure it will be a movie.
I'm sure it will, yeah. Yeah, Mr. Incredible, he says there will definitely be another one. But until then,
All right, here I go.
just one.
Ooh.
Close call.
All right, the next category is Descendants characters.
I feel like I will know them.
I feel like I will too. All right, I'm gonna go first. Carlos.
Evie.
Duke. Oh man, I lose again. Oh, I'm scared.
2.
Okay. 1, 2.
Ooh, it's cracking open.
Cracking open.
Alrighty. Next category is
Drama.
famous singers.
Ooh.
Here we go, here we go, here we go. Justin Bieber,
Jessica Simpson.
Ariana Grande,
Britney Spears.
Taylor Swift.
Harry Styles.
Oh my gosh, Zayn, the other guy.
Niall, the other guy.
Okay, Christina Aguilera,
Ooh, Justin Timberlake.
Adam Levine,
Michael Jackson.
Kelly Clarkson.
Ruben Studdard. Oldie but a goodie.
Oh my gosh, okay. This girl that I know, Thea Mejia.
That's such a good one. I'm going American Idol, so I'm gonna do Carrie Underwood.
Oh, that's a good one. Okay, Minnie Mouse.
Minnie Mouse.
She's a famous singer.
She
She
is.
sings hot dog, hot dog, hot diggity dog.
All right.
She's probably the most famous. She's been
Probably.
around for a while. Okay, 3 times. Bam. 2, 3.
Oh! All right, guys. The next category is one of my favorites, candy. Ready?
Yeah.
Snickers.
Oh, Butterfinger.
Sour Patch Kids.
Baby Ruth.
Whoppers.
Oh, Kit Kats.
Gummy Sharks.
Oh.
I love the Gummy Sharks.
I never had
Especially
those.
time for
Okay.
summer.
Okay, sorry. Reese's Cups. The cups.
Skittles.
Oh, Starburst.
Ooh. All right. Caramel. Just caramel.
Those are good.
Oh man.
Sorry, judges are saying.
No to
dice.
caramel. Okay, ready?
Uh-oh, I'm nervous for you.
How many times? 4 times? 2. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so close.
That watermelon is ready to pop, people. Capri's is next.
Oh no, I don't know if I know that many cats.
Tuxedo.
Hairless?
Oh, that is one. American short hair.
Persian.
Rex.
Long-haired.
Oh,
American long hair?
sure. Tabby.
Striped.
Yeah, I don't think that's
Another type? I say striped cats.
I have 2, but I don't think they're called that. I think they're actually called tabbies.
Oh, that's a tabby.
Yeah,
Well, I learned
certain
something new.
tabbies.
Okay, all right, fair enough.
What's your guys' favorite type of cat? Let me know in the comments.
Yeah, let us know.
Oh my
Oh
god!
my gosh, that sucked!
Well, now you're chilling like a villain.
All right, guys, the next category. See what I did there?
Ah!
The next category is planets. So I'm gonna go first. My favorite planet, our planet Earth.
Is that where we are? Okay,
So-
I'm gonna go with Saturn.
Ooh, Neptune,
Jupiter.
Mars,
Venus.
Pluto.
Oh, okay. Did you say Uranus?
I did not say Uranus. Did you say a planet far, far away in a galaxy far, far away? There's a planet there.
That one? Yeah, I did not. I was waiting for you to say it.
Oh man! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 6. I forgot what round we were on. Whew, that 6th one almost got me.
Oh my gosh, that's crazy, people. Okay, next round is horse breeds. Does My Little Pony count?
I was gonna ask if unicorns count.
Sure, for this round, we
All
do.
right.
Okay, I'm gonna start with My Little Pony.
I'm gonna start with a Pegasus.
Okay, and I'm gonna go to painted.
I'm gonna go with miniature horse.
Okay, Arabian.
Ooh, Cherokee? Is that kind of horse? I could have sworn. I think I had a friend that had a horse named Cherokee.
Oh, who?
Maybe I
Uma?
got confused.
Uma had a horse named Cherokee?
She did. Fun fact.
What's the horse's name? What's the horse's name?
Cherokee.
Ah!
It's gonna be bad.
7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Oh.
The next round is the U.S., United States, the
Oh.
states.
Oh,
So we
the
have to get
actual
states.
states.
The actual states.
How many are there again?
50.
Okay.
Hawaii,
Oh, Arizona,
Alaska,
Arkansas,
California,
Connecticut,
Maine,
oh, Delaware.
Utah,
Ooh, that's a good one. Florida,
North Carolina,
South Carolina,
Georgia,
New Hampshire,
Louisiana,
Nevada,
Tennessee,
Texas,
Washington State,
Iowa,
North Dakota.
South Dakota.
Oh man, Massachusetts,
Good one. Idaho,
Oklahoma.
Washington, the other Washington. No.
Oh, did it count?
Did you say Washington?
I said Washington State.
Okay, that's all right.
1, 2.
I didn't even need 8.
Oh man!
My watermelon
Hot drenched.
All right, guys, my watermelon burst. Smashed right open on top of my head, but I got the next category.
What is it?
Major school subjects. Not all the lost subjects, because we know those get a little wacky.
Those are a little different.
Yes, real deal school subjects. Okay, I'm gonna go with history,
I'm gonna go with math,
English,
science,
Spanish,
physical education,
ooh, drama,
ooh, music.
ooh. I'm gonna go with film because I always loved that class.
What? I wish I had that class. All right, what about lunch? Does that count?
Yeah, that was my favorite.
Ah, that was my favorite time at school.
Mine too.
I've got to do 9 times. Okay,
Good luck.
thanks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ooh.
Safe.
All right, guys, so this next one, if you lose, it's 10 clicks of the watermelon. And then it's gonna reset back to 1. But for this category, it's gonna be all brands.
Easy peasy
Lemon
watermelon squeezy.
Ooh, I like what you did. All right, I'm gonna go with Barbie.
Oh, I'm gonna go with Bratz.
Ooh, I like American Girl dolls.
I do too. Cabbage Patch Kids.
Ooh, what about Monsters Inc. dolls?
There's
Or Monsters High, that's what I'm thinking.
Monsters High. Okay, and I'm gonna go with Ever After High.
Ooh, Pokemon dolls? Do they
Is
have
that
dolls?
They might have plush toys. Sure. Pikachu. Okay, I'm gonna go with My Little Pony dolls.
Disney dolls.
Like all of them. Yeah.
Like all the Disney dolls.
Like the princesses?
Yeah.
Okay. What about the Descendants? Because they're not really princesses.
Ooh.
Like the Descendants dolls.
That's a
Not
good
the
point.
princess dolls.
Well, in that case, what about like all the like Disney stuffed animals? Oh, stuffed animals doesn't count as a doll?
It's like a plush toy. That's okay. What's your guys' favorite doll? Let us know. Let us know. Oh no.
Moment of truth. It's 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh no.
Oh. All right. Next round is here. By the way, the watermelon clicks start over to 1. So we got to build back up a little bit. All right. Our next category is cartoons.
Ooh, cartoons.
Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? SpongeBob SquarePants!
Do you remember? Timmy is an average kid who no one understands. It's a Fairly Odd Parents.
Oh, yeah.
It's a good Nickelodeon one.
I'm going with Pinky and the Brain. They're totally insane. Yeah.
And Looney Tunes, classic.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my gosh, there's so many Looney Tunes. Okay, sorry, I got distracted by Tweety Bird and Sylvester. Are they Looney Tunes? All right, so Tweety Bird and Sylvester are absolutely positively Looney Tunes. Dang, I thought they were their own thing. That's okay. 1.
All right, guys, so the next category is countries of the world. But there's a twist. We have to go in alphabetical order.
Like A, B,
so like
C.
I start an A, you have to say country with B, C, D, back and forth.
Okay.
I'm gonna start out with Australia.
Oh, and I'm gonna go to Belgium.
Ooh, and I'm gonna go Canada.
Oh, and then I will go to Deutschland. Does that count? It's Germany, and that's how they say it there.
Judges are saying
Yay!
Ethiopia.
That's what I was gonna say. Okay, and I'm gonna go with Finland for F.
So then G, Georgia, which is a state in the United States and a country.
It sure is. And I'm gonna go with H, and I'm gonna go with Hungary because I am hungry.
And I'm gonna go with Iceland.
J, I'm gonna go with Japan.
K, I'm gonna go with Kazakhstan.
It's Kyrgyzstan!
Oh man!
So close!
So close. I thought I had that a little off.
Oh man, it's okay, just 2.
Just 2.
It's cracking earlier, folks. Next round, and you can't see me. It's Disney princesses.
Fun.
Okay, I'm gonna start with Aurora,
Snow White,
Ariel,
Belle,
Cinderella,
Elsa,
Anna,
Moana.
Oh, the other one.
The
Okay.
other one.
And then I'm gonna go with Evie.
Evie. You're not a Disney princess.
Well, we're
kind of.
kind of. I wear a crown sometimes. No. All right. How many? 3,
3.
2, 3. Ooh, it's dripping.
It's dripping.
It's ready to rock.
All right, guys. The next category is names of oceans. Ooh. I'll start us off with Atlantic,
Pacific.
Indian,
Oh, South Antarctic Sea, please. What is it
I
called?
think the Arctic Ocean. Arctic.
I thought there was there is an Arctic and then there's an Antarctic. Either way, I got it wrong. That's okay.
3.
I think, did you do 3? That's okay. Dang it.
All right, friends, so we've both gotten soaked twice. So that means we're tied, and the next time this cracks on someone's head, they have to spend the night on the Isle of the Lost.
What?
Right?
Right.
So, next category is holidays. Oh, fun. I love holidays. I'll start out with Halloween,
Oh, New Year.
Christmas,
Hanukkah.
Kwanzaa,
Ooh. Thanksgiving.
4th of July.
That other good one, President's Day.
Ooh, Martin Luther King Jr. Day.
Ooh, Veterans Day.
Ooh, Easter,
Labor Day.
Memorial Day.
And this really famous one called my birthday.
Oh, your birthday is a holiday.
Mhm.
Oh, they're saying it's not.
Man. Okay,
Oh,
4
man.
times. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, it cracked!
Next category's here, and it's board games.
Ooh.
Don't be bored, we got your games.
Ooh, the game of life.
Ooh, sorry.
Aggravation.
Sure. Operation?
Settlers of Catan.
What is that?
It's great.
I'm gonna say shoots and ladders.
Ooh, I'm gonna say jacks.
I don't know what that is, but
Aw,
I
man.
think you just got jacked. Here we go.
Oh, no. All right. How many times?
5. Like Cinco de Mayo minus
Cinco
the
de Mayo. That would have been a good holiday.
It would have been.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Safe. All right, Evie. This is the next category, and I think it might be it. I think it might crack.
Hope
It's
not.
continents of the world.
Of our world?
Of planet Earth.
Okay.
North America.
South America.
Australia.
Well, okay, I think it's called something else now, but it still counts. Antarctica.
Oh, Europe.
Asia.
Africa.
And then I got none left. There's only 7. Well, Pangea. They all used to be part of one
Oh, yeah.
supercontinent called Pangea.
Split into another one called Laurasia. There were 2.
What?
Yeah, true fact.
And then they all moved around.
All
right, well. How many? Well, we only got to 3. All right, well, my watermelon is not my favorite fruit. I'm not gonna lie, I'm more of an apple person.
Yeah.
Everybody knows. Okay, before I spend the night on the aisle, you guys have to hit the like button. Go ahead. Oh, wait. Go ahead.
All right. Bye, Evie. Have a good night.
No, don't leave me. Do I really have to stay here on the Isle of the Lost all night? I mean, I guess how bad could it be, right? I grew up here. Ah! Okay. I think I outran whatever it was. I think I'm safe here. Ah!